Joe Smith here. Took everything off the seat covers and just going to get a little more customizing done to them. So can't wait to show you guys another couple weeks how those turn out. Went ahead and got the seat warmer pads on here. So got the seat covers put back on. Just putting these underneath the seat covers instead of trying to pull the upholstery off the seat and go underneath the upholstery on the seat. But if you don't have seat covers, then normally what you do, you take the upholstery off and put these below the upholstery. But since we got the seat covers we're putting back on, we're just putting these right below the seat covers. And just gotta try and figure out where to mount the switch here. Here's a switch, left, right, separate controls. Thinking about putting it around here, but feels like there's a bunch of stuff behind there. I have to make a little custom box or take the ashtray out and make something where the can have a few switches just down here or something, or something that sits down on top of the shift lever. We got a different radial bezel with 2 light switches in here for the grill lights and stuff, and fog lights that we're going to put on. And then thinking about mounting on the new one, of course, right around here and over here, little push buttons for the cup holder, the heated cup holders. Just another possibility for the seat switch is seat warmers that's over here. But Joe Smith's usually the only one in the truck and don't want to have to be reaching too far to adjust settings and that.